Hello, my name is Samantha Marie Cortinas. It is October 22nd, 2025, and this is my Wakelet presentation for my Education 130191L class. So I titled it What to Consider because it's basically what the whole chapter 8 was talking about. As for main idea number one, I chose what you find in a school. The beginning of the chapter goes into what you find in a school, which is simple things like a teacher, a desk, a student, a map, a computer, little things like that. And that is why I chose this link to a YouTube video, which basically goes over the school objects and what you find in a classroom. Main idea number two, I chose different grade levels and ways of learning, which is this link over here, but I have it opened up over here. And it says why each grade is unique and how different it is. In a previous assignment that we had to do, basically writing our own experience and our own things that we change, behavior, attitudes, etc. I went over how main idea number two is, and personally, me in my own experience at church, I teach the 2 to 5 year olds, and it is very different for whenever I sub in for the 7 to 11 year olds. And that is one of the ways that I am really interested in how different the grade levels are at learning. For main idea number three, I put things to take into consideration when choosing where to work at. So one of the main things that stood out to me, which is over here in the bottom, is how it tells you to be very careful or very selective of what school you choose to work at. Because if you don't have a principal that is a good leader or a good role model as to what your values or your morals lie as, then you'll know if that school really will be for you. So over here it says 8 things that make a school good, or something that you consider a school good. And it was basically saying things like they have equal rights for everybody. There's inclusion, there's equity, and etc. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.